aiming for a raise, it is key to handle the discussion with professionalism, readiness, and of course, confidence. Set up a meeting with your boss to talk about your performance, your contributions to the company, and of course, the value you bring to the table. But before the meeting, do your homework on the industry standards and, of course, salary comparisons to back up your request. Clearly lay out your achievements, your skills, and any duties that warrant a salary bump. You want to highlight how your work has positively influenced the company's objectives and, of course, the financial results. Be ready to hear what your boss has to say from their point of view and listen to any sort of feedback. You want to approach the conversation positively and present your case for a raise assertively, but respectfully. Specify the amount you're seeking and be ready to negotiate if that's necessary. By showcasing your value and professionalism, you can actually boost the chances of a successful outcome in the request of a raise.